been reading books of old.
Okay, so welcome to this new and exciting tutorial, and ang topic natin for today is about dun sa intro na napanood nyo on how to do the right on effect. And that's not the perfect one, but yeah, it's typically the same, and there's a bunch of ways on how you do this, like sa iba't ibang platform like Vegas Pro or Final Cut Pro, but this is how I do it in Premiere Pro. So intro. Okay, so bago natin simulan, gusto ko sanang pasalamatan yung si Kuya Rodel, yung guide namin doon sa Leyte, na talagang sobrang lupit yun. The best. So kung may questions kayo about sa tour namin sa Leyte, just send me a message. I'll share everything about the tour, and napakaganda ng Leyte. Napakaganda ng tubig, napakalinaw, and ayoko na, miss ko lang. So without further ado, let's go back to the tutorial and hop into Premiere Pro. Okay, so ito yun. Okay, so ito yung clip ko. Ito yung clip natin na gagamitin. And open a new legacy title. So new legacy title ang gagamitin natin. And then, okay, so we type in, let's say Leyte yung gagamitin natin word, Leyte. Okay. Leyte, and then make sure yung font natin is gloss and bloom. So ito yung madalas na ginagamit sa font sa style na ganito, sa effects ito, gloss and bloom. So yan, center mo, and then enlarge it, and syempre make sure to add or click this button for spacing para mas madali, and then ito yung dalawang button to make it center. Okay, so that's it, and let's change the color for now kasi para mas madali natin siyang i-edit, and then babalik na lang natin siya sa color for final product. So yan, let's use this medyo light color. Okay, then close this one and then drag it to your timeline. Okay, and then since nandiyan na siya, let's add another transparent video. Click this transparent video, same settings, and click OK, and drag it on top of your title. So after you drag it on your top of title, go to effects, type in right on. So yun, makikita mo siya as under video effects, generate right on, and drag it to the transparent video. Okay, so after dragging it to the transparent video, open the effects panel, and then sa effects panel, make sure na makikita mo itong tabs na to, right on. So actually ito yung effect. Click on right on, edit the brush size to match the width ng mga letter. Okay, so zoom natin for 50% for better view. Okay, and then let's change the strokelet. So let's put for now 4 seconds. So pwede naman natin siyang edit later. So brush spacing would be 0.002. Let's just use 0.1. Okay. And then after that, then drag na natin yung, make sure na nasa simula ka ng clip mo doon sa video, transparent video, nasa start ka, and then okay, so adjust natin ng konti yung length, no? So yeah, make sure na nandun ka sa length sa start ng transparent video, and then click the position button for the brush position, and then drag it dun sa start ng letter L, and then okay, so since medyo kulang pa, let's add a little bit more, 34% will do. Okay, so after that, yung process would be okay, so 35% it's okay, and then make sure na naka-highlight ka dun sa right on, and then ang gagawin mo na dito is you're going to drag this circle every frame. So I keep Before I drag it, nagpo-push ako ng frames by frames. So ito na yung effect, yung parang sinusulat mo siya. So, make sure yung circle yung dinadrag mo. And, yeah, let's just do this for this letter L. Okay. So, and push, turn. So, papas forward ko na to since medyo mahaba itong process na to. I want something just like this. Oh, see that? Medyo lumalagpas tayo. So, kung pagka ganyan, kailangan mong dagdagan yung stroke length mo. Since yung ginamit ko is 4 seconds, I'll be changing it to 5 seconds. Let's see, 5 seconds. Okay, 5 seconds. So, cover pa niya yung buong frame mo. So, then, after that, i-click mo yung title and then go to effects panel and type in track matte key. And then, ayan. So, track matte key. Drag mo siya dun sa title and change the matte to video 3, which is yung transparent video mo. Transparent video. Nice. So, yan. Meron ka ng effect na right on effect. So, parang sinusulat na yung late. So, this may not be the perfect one, but the concept is this. So you can try this to your next video and yun. So, you can try this to your next video. And syempre, let's put back the color to what the original is. So, I always wanted to use this color like dark white. Dark white. A little bit darker than white. So, okay. And yeah, that's it for this tutorial, and thumbs up if you like this video, and share and subscribe. And if you have other ways on how to do this, let me know. And of course, don't forget to share the love. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.